Hi, I'm Matt Gunningham. I am 46 years old. One of the owners here at RPG2, and this is my wife, Hannah.
I'm Hannah. Will be 47. Less than a month after my kidney surgery, on May the 11th, they had me come in and they sat us down. I was in the room with the oncologist and they said, Hannah has leukemia. At the age of 15, what's leukemia? I don't know what that word is. They looked directly at me and just like, Hannah, you have cancer. That word, unfortunately, I know too well because just 5 years prior to that, my 18-year-old brother, by the grace of God, survived testicular cancer. So with testicular cancer, unfortunately, by the time they discovered his, it had spread all the way up to all of his lymph nodes. My brother was a strong 18-year-old man, but chemo took him down, chemo and radiation. So with seeing what he went through prior to that, I knew exactly what cancer was. I wanted to do the first round within 2 days of me being diagnosed. So after 3 months, many trips back to the hospital. I mean, in all honesty, out of the 3 months, because I was so sick with my chemotherapy, I think I spent a total of about maybe a week home during the summer. I think I even was rushed back to the hospital on my birthday. So when I finally hit that 3 month, they did a bone biopsy at that point, and they were able to tell me I was in remission. And to hear that, it was bittersweet. Life after cancer, there's a survivorship guilt. You're happy you survived, but you're also guilty that there are so many that don't. So as a survivor, my words of encouragement would be, there are good days, there are going to be bad days, but in those good days, count your blessings, find your strength, find your faith, because I do believe that without my faith, I don't think I would have been as strong. And when you do find it, just hold on tight, because there are going to be better days. Find the hope and strength that you know that's within you, because nobody can tell you. Only you can find that strength within.
We wanted to start the Splash of Support, just hearing, what Hannah and her family and, everybody else is going through. The littlest things that we could do to help out anybody in need, anybody in that position, it's just a little way that we could give back and help, and I think it's a great thing.